Yes, anytime you apply for a new credit card, your credit score is going to drop from that hard inquiry if you guys get that hard inquiry. And when that account is added to your credit report, your credit score don't necessarily need to drop. If you guys do not have accounts reporting to your credit report, when you guys get this new credit card, then your credit score could go up. But if you don't necessarily like need a new credit card, you already have four credit cards in your credit reports, and then two, if they report a high balance because you got that credit card, you started using it, and then they reported that higher balance, your credit score is going to drop. So just keep that in mind. I always tell people try to have at least four credit cards reporting. When you get your first credit card, your credit score ain't got to drop. It's going to shoot up because they're happy that you have credit. Just make sure that you guys don't get your credit cards and just use a lot of money on your credit cards right away. Wait till a report, figure out when your billing cycle and all that is, and then you start using your credit card because utilization can really drop your credit score. Now, when I told you guys that your credit score is going to drop, it's because you guys are going to get a hard inquiry. Like if you guys apply for like the Mission Lane credit card, Credit One Bank, these companies are going to give you hard inquiries when you apply for these credit cards. Now, like a credit card like this Open Sky, you don't have hard inquiries, so your credit score is not going to drop. And if you guys don't have accounts reporting, getting an Open Sky credit card on your credit reports, getting them to report should actually boost your credit score up. So I really, really like when you guys don't have to get a hard inquiry if you guys can help it. But if you guys need credit cards, then your credit score should go up when you apply for these cards. But most likely, a lot of times your credit score is going to go down. But keep your utilization low in terms of when they're reporting, and just make sure you're paying your bills on time, and your credit score should go up over time. Even that next month, you're going to start seeing your credit score go up. But usually your credit score is going to go down at first, but it depends on how many accounts you have.